Where are natural gas resources found in India? A. West Bengal, Odisha, and Bihar. B. Assam, Gujarat, and offshore areas near Mumbai. C. Rajasthan, Punjab, and Himachal Pradesh. D. Kerala, Karnataka, and Goa. The correct answer is B. Assam, Gujarat, and offshore areas near Mumbai. Do igneous rocks contain fossils? A. Yes, but only plant fossils. B. Only occasionally. C. No, they do not contain fossils. D. Yes, abundantly. The correct answer is C. No, they do not contain fossils. What characteristic defines a perennial source of water for canals? A. Water available throughout the year. B. Water from seasonal floods. C. Water available only during monsoon. D. Water from underground springs only. The correct answer is A. Water available throughout the year. What is one example of a do action when feeling tremors? A. Run inside a building. B. Hide under a tall structure. C. Stand near windows. D. Move to an open area. The correct answer is D. Move to an open area. What is the primary reason agriculture is not successful in desert soils? A. They are too rocky. B. They lack sufficient sunlight. C. They are infertile. D. They have too much clay. The correct answer is C. They are infertile. What does Thea wear in Auckland, New Zealand in May? A. Shorts and a t-shirt. B. Sun hat and sunglasses. C. Fleece jacket, jeans, gloves, and socks. D. Swimsuit and sandals. The correct answer is C. Fleece jacket, jeans, gloves, and socks. Which city is listed for marking on a South India map and is associated with the Pallav reign mentioned? A. Poompuhar. B. Kanchipuram. C. Madurai. D. Chennai. The correct answer is B. Kanchipuram. Which celestial bodies orbit planets in the solar system? A. Satellites. B. Comets. C. Asteroids. D. Meteoroids. The correct answer is A. Satellites. What are the two types of resources based on origin? A. Terrestrial and aquatic resources. B. Liquid and solid resources. C. Biotic and abiotic resources. D. Primary and secondary resources. The correct answer is C. Biotic and abiotic resources. Which government levels have various disaster management organizations? A. State and central. B. Local and international. C. Municipal and federal. D. Regional and global. The correct answer is A. State and central. What specific aspect of economic activities does the lesson deal with? A. Their environmental impact. B. Their interrelation. C. Their historical origins. D. Their management strategies. The correct answer is B. Their interrelation. A cirque is a landform associated with which geological process? A. Vine deposition. B. Wave erosion. C. Glacial erosion. D. Glacial deposition. The correct answer is C. Glacial erosion. How is the representative fraction usually abbreviated? A. RF. B. RF. C. Rep. Frac. D. RF. The correct answer is D. RF. To whom does most of the land under rubber belong? A. Foreign investors. B. Government agencies. C. Large corporations. D. Small landholders. The correct answer is D. Small landholders. What is the average rainfall received by the Coimbatore Plateau during the monsoon mentioned? A. 75 centimeters. B. 25 centimeters. C. 100 centimeters. D. 50 centimeters. The correct answer is D. 50 centimeters. From where to where does the Pan American Highway run? A. Canada to Mexico. B. Europe to South America. C. Alaska to Panama. D. New York to Los Angeles. The correct answer is C. Alaska to Panama. During the period from 23rd September to 21st March, which hemisphere is tilted towards the sun? A. Northern Hemisphere. B. Western Hemisphere. C. Southern Hemisphere. D. Eastern Hemisphere. The correct answer is C. Southern Hemisphere. What percentage of global electricity production does hydropower contribute? A. Nearly 50%. B. Nearly 7%. C. Nearly 25%. D. Nearly 15%. The correct answer is B. Nearly 7%. Which of these is explicitly mentioned as a type of disaster source that leads to events like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions? A. Beneath the Earth's surface. B. On the Earth's surface. C. Human activity. D. Atmospheric phenomena. The correct answer is A. Beneath the Earth's surface. What type of settlement is typically found along a seacoast? A. Rectangular pattern. B. Compact settlement. C. Star-like pattern. D. Dispersed settlement. The correct answer is B. Compact settlement. Resources that cannot renew themselves are described as either scarce or what else? A. Abundant. B. Renewable. C. Totally absent. D. Unlimited. The correct answer is C. Totally absent. What are altostratus clouds characterized by? A. Dark, stormy appearance. B. Globular, white masses. C. Thick, lumpy appearance. D. Thin sheets of grey or blue color. The correct answer is D. Thin sheets of grey or blue color. What are the longitudinal valleys between the Sivaliks and the Lesser Himalayas called in the west? A. Duars. B. Gorges. C. Duns. D. Passes. The correct answer is C. Duns. What kind of support is provided to individuals after a disaster, in addition to basic life requirements? A. Financial investment advice. B. Career counseling. C. Mental health and spiritual support and care. D. Educational scholarships. The correct answer is C. Mental health and spiritual support and care. What is the shape of the Atlantic Ocean described as? A. Rectangular. B. Triangular. C. Circular. D. Oval. The correct answer is B. Triangular. What geological process primarily forms stacks? A. Glacial erosion. B. Wave erosion. C. River erosion. D. Wind erosion. The correct answer is B. Wave erosion. Where does the Kaveri Delta begin? A. Srirangam Island. B. Kadalur. C. Puducherry. D. Tiruchirappalli. The correct answer is D. Tiruchirappalli. What is included in primary economic activities? A. Food gathering, fishing, and mining. B. Haircutting and train journeys. C. Research and training. D. Software development and data analysis. The correct answer is A. Food gathering, fishing, and mining. Which continent is described as the coldest, with a permanent ice cover? A. Australia. B. Arctic. C. North America. D. Antarctica. The correct answer is D. Antarctica. Which body of water is mentioned in conjunction with the Atlantic Ocean and Gulf of Mexico? A. Black Sea. B. Mediterranean Sea. C. North Sea. D. Caribbean Sea. The correct answer is D. Caribbean Sea. How did you score?